Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm wonderful. So, thank you so much, firstly, for joining me today. I know it's Sunday, and I heard that you've been out. So thank you so much for taking out time to join me today. So, before starting, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Laukya. I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Mhm.
I have done. I'm in my second year of counseling and family therapy
Okay.
masters. I'm doing it from IGNO. Doing
Okay.
it from IGNO, it's a bit difficult. I used to feel so lost.
Okay. So, ma'am, how did you come across Psyche?
Through Instagram page, through
Okay.
Insta.
Okay. So how was your experience? What was your experience when you just newly discovered Psyche?
I wasn't so sure whether to join this program or not. But once
Mhm.
I've joined, in just in a week, I know I was in the right place.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So that was it was like eye-opening for you, I assume, because you felt being in Psyche was something that was helping you out in places that you needed help.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh wow. Okay, definitely. That's amazing to hear. So now you've been a part of the Psyche family for a while. So how has your experience been when it comes to transformation, personally or career-wise, family-wise? How has your experience been?
Yeah, like professionally, when I joined, I knew nothing. From knowing nothing to knowing something, I've reached somewhere, I feel. I know I had to put in a lot of effort still, but it set me the base or foundation on which I can
Mhm.
build upon.
Okay. Okay, wow. So, it's been insightful for you, and it's been it's given you a lot of understanding, I assume.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay, that is really nice to hear. So, has it helped you in your personal life, with family or in any other way as well?
Yeah, I was very uncomfortable in opening up to new people, but
Mm-hmm.
then all those breakout room sessions have really helped me open up as a person and be more confident in talking to them. I was very bad at starting a conversation, but now I'm okay with starting a conversation and I can build upon a conversation now.
Okay, so
Then you have
I
to,
feel like communication wise, you're feeling better, and maybe even on Zoom and talking virtually, are you feeling like it's better now for you?
yeah. Initially, in before also I've attended a few classes online, but I never used to turn my video on. And but now every class I'm turning my video on. I'm being more active in the class and participating.
Wow, that is
And
really great. I
they
feel
also
like
it helps me a lot. And Vaishali
Mhm.
ma'am is so pleasing, and she encourages us to speak also. So
Yes, yes. It's also a very important factor. I feel like everything these days is virtual. So being confident on camera and on online platforms like these are just it's so important these days. Okay, so talking about Vaishali ma'am. So how has your experience been with her? She's our facilitator. So how has it been with her?
it is very. The experience was superb, and she has good command over the subject she's teaching, and she's always there to help whenever she. The way she sits back even after class till 10:30, and after that also, she's so
Mhm.
patient enough to clarify all of her doubts.
Right, that's amazing. I feel like a lot of people actually, some people end up saying that, she teaches beyond the time. So, it is not that good. She should be within the time bound. So, what are your opinions on that?
As long as we are learning and when we are here to learn, it's okay even the time exceeds also.
Hmm. You feel like it is important to, just the
Yeah,
knowledge part is important more than the time, right?
yeah.
Okay.
When she tries to explain everything in detail, whatever she does, she is doing great.
Hmm. Yes. Okay.
I never had any issue sitting even after the class. It exceeds beyond that also. I was okay with it.
Okay. Okay. Right. Because you're so passionate about learning, so it really, the time really doesn't matter because it's the knowledge that we're gaining which is more important. Okay, now, like you mentioned that in classes, now you turn your camera on and you're turning your mic on and things like that. So, with you, there were a lot of other people as well who are coming here to learn, your peers. So, how was your experience with them?
Yeah, it was great. We got to learn from each other, from their stories. Some of their
Mm-hmm.
stories and how they have overcome it is a bit inspiring as well.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a community to connect with because I come from a state of Andhra Pradesh where people taking up psychology is so rare.
Oh,
So I've got a community to connect as well here.
as I was saying, like, have they become like a support system to you, as you just said, community-wise?
Yeah, yeah. If I have any doubts, I can even reach out to them as well. Now,
Okay, okay, wonderful. That's very nice. So you feel
earlier,
like you've made friends for life in a way.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, is there something else you would want to say about the peers or about Vaishali ma'am? Something that you would like to say from your heart?
Yeah, the experience was super. It helped me not just professionally but also personally. And I
Mm-hmm.
got to learn so much for the amount of money I spent and the knowledge I've gained is so good. I'm so happy
Okay.
with the course. And I would love to join even other courses from Psyche if there are anything coming up.
Wow, wow. Yeah, of course, we will keep coming up with new courses and workshops like very soon, of course. And that's not going to stop. So if you could just follow us on Instagram, if you're following us, and you're going to keep getting updates regarding the same. Now let's talk about like I would like to know with your experience, with Vaishali ma'am, with all of your peers, is there something that you have learned that you're going to carry forward for the rest of your life with you?
Like professionally or personally.
Anything that you feel that you have learned, which is it's so special, it's so important, you're going to keep it with you forever. Anything that you feel from your heart, from within.
Definitely, it has helped me open up as a person, and I have become so good at communicating with others without the fear
Mm-hmm.
of talking. Initially, I used to become so anxious to talk to new people, but that has gone now. My
Mm-hmm.
confidence has increased, and I also got to learn so much professionally as well. Techniques to
Mm-hmm.
use, when to use. I've got a real understanding of how to use them.
Mm-hmm.
I know it needs a lot of practice, but then I have something to build upon right now.
Okay, okay, wonderful. So it has really increased your confidence and just it has developed your personality as well, you would say.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, wow. So like it's just not about the courses like the syllabus wise, but also just the experience of being with Psyche. Has it helped? It has really helped you as a person, not just career wise, but otherwise as well.
yeah. It has helped me.
Okay, that is so nice to hear. I'm really glad that we've been helpful to you. So now let's talk about like how was the experience when it came to like the classes? Was the doubt clearing sessions, understandability regarding the recordings or the study material? How was your experience?
Everything was good. I've never.
Mm-hmm.
I have also been part of other classes before, but nothing can match this course. Material,
Wow.
everything was so helpful, and Vaishali ma'am is always there to clarify our doubts. Yeah.
That's great. So you feel like it has really been, it's really next level, you can say, out of the box.
Yeah, it is nothing less than a real classroom. It didn't feel like a virtual class that we are attending.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wow, that is nice. That's amazing. I'm really glad that you feel that way because in the end, whatever work we're doing, in the end, we just want the participants to be satisfied. And if that's something that we have achieved, then we're really, feel like we've achieved something. Okay, great. So, like before I let you go, I would like to know, are there any suggestions that you would like to give us now that you have been with us for a while and you've followed us, you know our system? Is there any suggestion that you would like to give us?
You guys are doing a great thing, great job. So keep doing it. And maybe like if more case discussions would have been there, it would have been helpful even more. I know there is time constraint and we can't do everything in the limited time we have,
Mm-hmm.
but maybe if more cases were real life cases were discussed and how to deal with them, we would have got a better understanding.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Yes, that's absolutely true. Actually, that's something that one of the previous interviews also said. So, case solving, case study. So you feel like the practical knowledge is very important, right?
Yeah, like when they discuss, like critical cases, some there will be difficult clients as well, no?
Mm-hmm.
When there is a discussion about how to go about them as well, we would have got a better understanding. Not
Okay,
every
okay.
client would be so easy to deal with.
Very true, very true. That is so true. So you feel like has your ability to handle practical situations, has it gotten better?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to give us an example regarding it or something?
Yeah, like initially I had a problem opening up. Even that would be the same case, even with the clients. When you're not good at communicating, we can't get the other person talk to us as well.
Hmm.
I got up,
Okay.
yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
know how to start a conversation and how to lead the conversation. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it has really helped you talking basically, like, like communicating with others, as you just said, and just like really solving the problems that come in front of you. That has gotten
Yeah.
better.
I got to learn many techniques as well that which I can use in the sessions in the future.
Okay, okay. Right. So I'm really glad that, we got someone, who has not only improved like knowledge wise, but also in real life situations, in real classrooms, it's not something that it's really focused on. But here at Psyche, we're really focusing on helping you gain that practical knowledge, the practical essence of psychology.
Yeah, the
So you feel
breakout
like
room sessions were really helpful.
uh-huh. Okay, okay, that is really nice to hear. So I'm really glad that you feel that way, and I'm really glad that we have this vibe of positivity around us. So thank you so much, ma'am, for all of your words, and thank you so much for your time. I'm really glad that I got to speak to you today, and I'm really glad that you had a great experience with Psyche. So I hope that we get to see more of you in all of our classes, and
Yeah.
we keep getting you in our classes more. Okay. Yes, so I think that would be all for today. Thank you so much for joining me once again. It was really nice of you to take out your time for this. So, yes, that's it. Have a great day, and all the best for all of your future endeavors.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am.